Investing can sometimes feel like standing at a crossroads, unsure which path to take. You may have heard of two popular strategies, SIP and lump sum. Both have their merits and are capable of growing your money, but they cater to different financial situations, personalities, and goals. Understanding the distinct characteristics of each can guide your decision-making process towards a more fruitful investment journey. Let's start with SIP, or Systematic Investment Plan. Imagine setting aside a fixed amount, say yours $1,000 each month like clockwork. This method creates a disciplined investment approach that nurtures the habit of saving. Picture a garden where seeds are planted gradually, resulting in a flourishing harvest over time. SIP allows investors to benefit from rupee cost averaging, reducing overall risk as you buy more units when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. This approach is especially beneficial for salaried individuals or beginners who may find it daunting to invest large sums all at once. On the other hand, we have lump sum investing. This involves investing a substantial amount, perhaps $50,000 in one go. Visualize standing on the edge of a diving board ready to jump. This strategy can be advantageous when market conditions appear favorable, such as when the market is low and poised for growth. Many individuals with bonuses and inheritance or significant savings take this route. However, it's essential to remember that lump sum investing carries higher market risk, requiring you to gauge market timing accurately and have the confidence to commit large amounts at once. Now let's compare these two strategies side by side. SIP is suited for those who prefer a gradually built portfolio with minimized risk, while lump sum offers the potential for quicker, more substantial growth, but demands astute market awareness. Which one should you choose? If you're new to investing or enjoy a consistent monthly income, SIP will likely serve you better. However, if you're in a position to invest a lump sum from a sudden financial windfall, weigh your options carefully and consider seeking guidance before proceeding. Ultimately, both SIP and lump sum investing are powerful financial tools in your investment toolbox. The key lies in discipline and consistency. Regardless of your choice, the most important step is starting today. Begin your journey towards financial independence with Financi, and empower yourself to make informed decisions that can yield fruitful returns. Subscribe now for insights that will pave your path to smart investing.